Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Pokémon Arcanine. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now start off with our Arcanine. Let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to curve up and down. We'll make a little line down. I'll make another line that's going to come up and down. Then we'll draw a line down here. Then I'll make a little curved line for the pupil. And I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line right across the top of the eye. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw this line right to about here. And then I'm going to make the ear. I'm going to make lines going to come up and then out. And we're going to come down to here. I'm going to curve this up, and we're going to come around. Now, let's work on the front of the face. So starting right here, let's make a line that's going to come up, and we're going to curve to here. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and we're going to come up to here, almost kind of like a mushroom shape. I'll make a little shape in there, kind of like a little circle, and I'll leave that white while I color the rest black. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down, and then up, and then we're going to come down to here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down, and then over for the mouth. Next, we're going to come down, over, and then up. Make a fang here, and then a fang here. Then I'll make a tooth here, and a tooth here. Then I'm just going to make a line that's going to curve down here for the tongue. And then we'll leave that, because I'm going to make one of his attacks coming out of here. Next, starting here, let's bring this line down. Then let's come up and then over to here. We'll go in and then out and in and then back down to here. We'll make some zigzag lines up to here. Then we'll curve here. Then we're going to make some little kind of pointed zigzag lines all the way around here. And we'll bring them up to there. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down at an angle. I'm going to bring this around to here. Let's curve this up, and then let's bring this up here. Then I'm going to add 1 and then 2 little curves for the toes. And then for some of the fur, let's bring this up, put a couple little points, then right to here. Next, let's bring a line that comes out, and I'm going to bring this down. We'll curve this around to here. And then let's bring this up at an angle. Do a curve here and a curve here. And then let's make some more zigzag lines up here. Then I'm going to bring this down at an angle. We'll come down here and put a couple points. Then starting up here, not right here, but up here, we're going to bring this line up for the leg. And I kind of like to curve it right there. Now we're going to move on to the top of the head. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make lines going to go up and down, up and down. Then I'm going to bring this line up and then in, out, and then in. I'm going to do another little point here and then one here. Then I'm going to bring this out here and then back. Then starting underneath the ear, we're going to come out and in, out and in. Another little point here. We're going to bring this out and in, out and in. And then we're going to bring this here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line down. Then I'm going to come up. And you see we just go down, up, and then bring it back down. Then we're going to curve this around here. And we're going to jump over this part. Now, starting here, we're going to go down to a point and up, down and up. And then we're going to make some more points all the way around. We'll make some big points here and then right to here. Next, I'm going to bring a line down here. I'm going to curve this around, and then I'll bring this up to here. Put a curve here and then a curve here. Then let's work on the tail. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line up to here. We'll make a couple points here. And a couple points here. Bring this down and up. We're going to go down and in, and make a couple little zigzag lines. And then right here, I'm going to curve this up and then connect this to here. Next, I'm going to make his Ember attack coming out of here. So I'm going to start right inside the mouth, and I'm going to make some kind of wavy, kind of pointed lines right here for some fire. We're going to make these kind of come all the way around here, and then we're going to bring these back. I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to bring this line up. Now the last step on here is I want to make the stripes on here. Now, first I'm going to start here and I'm going to make this line come down and up, down and up. We'll make another point and back to here. I'm going to go down and then up to here. Right here I'm going to go down to a point and up. We're going to go down and up here. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out, a couple points in here. Then I'm going to bring this line to here. Make this line come down, a couple zigzags and up. Up to a point and then back. And then right here, I'm going to come to a point. We're going to go up and down and then back here. Right here, I'm going to come down with a couple of zigzags and then up. I'm going to make another one here. It's going to go down with a couple points, and then we're going to bring this up. And then one more here, the down and up, and then down. And there you go. There is your drawing of Arcanine doing his Ember attack. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.